no
2024
chance.
announcement. Team CD. Yeah, Team Neon CD. Really want to drive this car hard.
Oh.
You audio track this and post? I really want this clip. Speed World for our first girls drift day of the year. There's been some guys that are today honorary girls that we've let into this track day. This is organized by Tiffany and the BBF club that she started, so I'm really stoked to be here. The Chelseas are here as well, and Chelsea is going to be drifting her Mustang S550, and I brought out the Corvette because I need some seat time in the Corvette. It's a new angle kit. I got a few laps in at the compound, as you guys saw. It rips, it's feeling good, and I'm excited to do more laps here at OSW and then hang with all the girls. Actually, no, they added, at least this one's a better version with another. Literally our very first lap out on track, it started pouring, but this is a sign that I just need more rain practice anyway. When it rains, it still psychs me out big time. Donnie's making these dramatic rain effects.
Donnie, what are you doing?
It's not monsooning, it is raining. But that's gonna be good for me. Everything happens for a reason, so we're out here doing some wet laps. Car is feeling good. One thing I am trying to focus on, even though this is like a fun girls event, I really want to figure out a game plan with tires for the Corvette. Like, I need to figure out how to max out the grip on the Corvette going into competition. I don't know if the C's can do it, and it's raining now, so that might not be something we find out, but just as an objective and something to think about going forward, I will be working on that. Also, update, Chelsea is going back to her house to get another drift car. What a flex. So she's gonna go get her BMW, get it out here, and keep sliding. audio correct this and post. Can you fix that? I really want this clip. Thanks, Brent. The car feels great in the wet. I'm surprised I haven't spun out yet. Knock on wood. Oh, there's no wood.
The floor is wood.
Oh, there you go.
The whole car is fiberglass with wood.
With wood. That's what
wood
they
in it,
chose
yes.
to mix in. All right, knock on wood. I really, really like Wisefab on a Corvette. Like, I feel so good, even in the wet with these crazy icy track elements. Like, I feel like I can just drive anywhere and drive out of bad situations too. I was getting a little too spicy my first couple entries when it really started raining. Just says I really want to drive this car hard, but I need to reel myself in. The angle feels so good. Like, it's predictable. I know where the car is at all times, and I'm able to just drive exactly where I want to go. Hopefully the audio is not. I'm really excited. I'm really happy with it. I cannot wait to see what Wisefab feels like with the car really, really gripped up and in the dry. Because we're basically maxed out grip setup at the moment, and it's super icy out still, which, I mean, it's raining. So I'm super pumped. We're gonna do a few more laps. Just keep having some fun. What am I supposed to do about this?
I don't know. There's a lot to do.
I only have one wrap. If you care about yourself, at least clean the glass, you know? That's all we're going for.
Right,
That's
so
the
you can
level of
see.
decency that we want. That's it. No, even the rear, because sideways, I feel like the windows are more noticeable. You know? 'Cause
Well, I mean,
From a
everything's
distance.
kind of noticeable right now.
This is actually a really, really good mental exercise, because the first corner, you need to huck it in. Like, it is gripped up there. It's a little patchy, but for the most part, gripped up. And the last half of the course, it's like a rain dance again. Just ice everywhere. So being able to like switch into those different mindsets, it's a good mental exercise. So although this is my absolute least ideal track conditions, I prefer it raining just constantly over this. I know this is good for me, and it definitely keeps you on your toes. You're like, what's it happen? What's it happen? So it makes it fun.
don't think there's any way. No chance.
Oh my
Yo, top secret.
No
2024 announcement.
Dude, I can't even put
What
the
are you
steering
doing?
wheel on.
Come on.
I can't get to the brake.
Come on, you're the best in the world. You got it. You're fine. You don't need your legs. You don't need the brakes. You don't need the brakes.
I could drive it if I didn't have these sides of the seat probably, but what are you doing with an aluminum shifter? It gets so hot.
It is a little hot.
It's so, feel that.
Hey,
I like the pain. But she's got gloves.
Feel that though, holy
It gets you in the
shit.
zone, you know? Team CD 2024
Yeah,
announcement coming
that's
up.
right.
Yeah, Team Neon CD. All right, well, that's the end of our girls track day. It ended up raining, obviously, which I wasn't stoked about, but definitely a driving condition that I need a lot more seat time in. But because it was raining, I feel like a lot of the girls kind of ended up doing their own thing. No one wants to be like running car to car and chatting when it's rainy and gross. So I didn't really drive, I don't think, with any other girl or hop in the car, but the ladies are out here killing it, especially in these conditions. The last few sessions on track were sketch AF. Like, that was a really good, like, mental training for me, because the beginning of the track was so gnarly and my car was on full kill at the moment. And then by the end of it, you have to like switch a light switch and be like, okay, just calm everything down. It's completely ice at the end. So that was a really good mental exercise for me. I feel like I was really happy with my last lap, so I'm gonna call it there. But yeah, super stoked to be driving on the Wisefab Angel kit now, and my brand new big boy 10-inch action clutch twin is feeling sick. So this is just the very beginning of 2024 testing, and I'm excited for more Corvette things coming up soon.